My video is about getting rid of the anime ransomware. This particular ransomware is currently attacking a lot of Windows computers all over the world today. The ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that customers store on their hard drives. Of course, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any complications. But the point is that due to certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And then pretty soon, when people restart their computers, they notice that a lot of bad changes have taken place. And customers are no longer able to use their files anymore. Whenever they try to open this specific file, this is the message they get. The message says Windows can't open this type of file with the anime extension. The ransomware also gives this scary message mentioning that the files have been encrypted and that customers need to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. Also, the message indicates certain email address that is sort of recommended for the victims to contact the developers of this ransomware. But paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. In the same manner, there is no point to contact these criminals through this email address, because there is no guarantee that the files would be decrypted. What we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. Then if you discover any suspicious programs here, any suspicious processes running in the background, you need to terminate them to stop the further file encryption and damage. Then we recommend you to use this special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it through Internet Explorer browser by going to the page combocleaner.com. So use this website to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Download it through this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and then start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your system. So the program is initially in the trial mode, so just the quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system, and then it will give you the full report about all the threats that were revealed on your computer during the scanning. Combo Cleaner Antivirus works very well to detect and delete the majority of threats, including adware, malware, browser hijackers, and of course the ransomware. In fact, Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the feature called Anti-Ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against possible ransomware attacks. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on your computer. And then, based on this information, you'll be able to remove some threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically.